We love you, Michaela.
Yeah, we love you.
Good luck in your surgery.
She already had her surgery.
I need to go home. Yeah.
Okay, well, say something. Say something.
Miss you. Know what you're going through, kind of.
I don't, but I love you.
Oh hi. Yeah.
Say we miss
Good
you.
job. We miss you, and I love you.
That
Yeah.
was heartfelt. Okay.
Hi, Michaela. Miss you for defense. Be better. Get better.
Yes, we really miss you on defense. Get better soon.
Hi. I hope you get better soon.
You're like, you don't know me?
Yeah. I hope you get better so we can kick some butt back in defense.
Okay, go. Go. Say something.
Fancy seeing you here, Michaela. We didn't break that. I love you. I hope you're doing well, and I love you so much.
Maybe say something.
What?
Say something.
Say what?
To Michaela.
I don't know. Good luck.
Okay,
I love
good
you.
luck.
Okay.
Good luck. We're going downstairs. We're going downstairs to see if there's anyone else downstairs, because we gotta find everyone to say something to you. Oh, hey, there's Coach Dave. Fancy seeing you here, Coach Dave. Want to say something to Michaela?
Hey, kangaroo, hop along. Was it busier than one person in the kicking contest?
Okay, that's my mom. Anybody else down here? Ashley, say something to Michaela. That's Marissa, my sister. That's Jessie. And I hope you had a fantastic surgery. You're probably high on drugs right now, but it's okay because I do drugs too. Just kidding. And we all love you and we miss you and we want you to get better. And we hope to see you soon. Bye.